So, our basement grow room update here. We had to scrap a lot of what we were doing because we wrongfully, well, we got this huge electric bill, and we thought it was the only thing that had changed was the lights. So we thought maybe that was what had happened. It turns out it was just the space heater. So, but in the meantime, we had turned the lights off, so all of the plants that we had going died. But we've now done kind of an improved system, so we have a few left that were from the original batch, but mostly we have this whole new system. We got some more actual plastic tops to hold humidity in a little bit, but as you can see, these are our little guys that survived. This is all the kale. It always seems to be able to kind of hang in there, especially up north here. So that seemed to do okay, but we have a whole bunch of new stuff now. We have, as usual, our lettuce and kales. That's obviously our big crop that we're trying to go for this time. We have some green beans, which we're very excited about. Just for the fun of it, we're doing just an avocado prop. There's a very fun video, which I'll put a link to, which will tell you that this actually will not give you the fruit that you want, but it's a nice looking tree anyway, so we do it. And then we have some bell peppers, some orange peppers, and some other assorted. So as you can see, they're kind of crammed in there. I think if we did this again, we'd cut a lot of the tops off, but this was all used coffee cups that we had from a job that I was working on. So it's a little bit of a reuse, recycle kind of deal that we got going on. And now that we found out that these lights are only giving us, they're only using about 6 kilowatts on a 24-hour cycle, I think we're in pretty good shape. We're going to keep running those and see how we're doing. But I'm very excited about these. These, I guess, have been in for about, I don't know, maybe 10 days or so, and they're really doing well. When we thought that the lights were causing the problems here, we actually took these guys out and put them on the windowsill, and so that's why you see they have this really long, spindly, they were starting to get leggy because they were trying to grow towards the sun. So we're hoping that that'll kind of vanish as it sits under the big lights for a little while, so we're hoping for that.